Good morning, everybody. So I am just going to run through some quick anatomy cards here from Dr. Adderholt's lecture yesterday afternoon. So we're going to get started with Anki. So I just want to start off by there is a little section that I found that might be helpful for learning muscle movements of the glutes and legs. Or mainly, I guess, the hip muscles. So we're in scroll up first aid, MSK, skin connective tissue, anatomy, physiology, actions of hip muscles. So these ones might be helpful just to get to know the actions of the muscles. So I activated all of them. So that is there for you. And then coming up, we'll have some knee exam tests as well. Otherwise, there wasn't a whole lot in this deck to add. So scroll down here. So it starts here at card 2001720. There's sword field up here. Again, it's the color coded section I don't like, but I'm showing it for in case any of you like it. So this is breaking down the bones of the foot, which we have to know by color. But if you don't like the color, that's all right. There's still cards that match it. They just look, so here's just more the cadaver version, but they look more like this with just blue and white highlighting the different bones, which I prefer. And then just, it doesn't look like there's a lot, but that's because the rest is hidden in here. So starting with the very first card down to 200 to 2038, this one, you're gonna activate all of those just like that. And then you come down here to the bottom, and then you'll get into some nerves and tendons and whatnot down here. And that is it for anatomy. So short, quick little video. There's some other cards in here I haven't looked through, but for example, let me go back here. You can find there's nerves of the lower extremities somewhere in here. Maybe it was in a different section. Like this has an upper extremity nerves. There we go, lower extremity nerves. So huge section here. Huge section, lots of cards. And my preference for learning the nerves was not so much doing Anki cards, but going into the lab and learning it. And I think that's the way I'm going to do it. But I just wanted to present this to anyone that wants to go through and activate it. I would just take caution in activating the entire section. For example, if you go to the common peroneal nerve or fibular nerve, first card is foot drop is characterized as inverted and plantar flexed at rest. We don't need to know that. Again, don't need to know that. Don't need to know that. Or injuries related to it. If you know the function or if you know the location and the muscle it innervates, you should be able to discern any injuries to that area and connect it back. But if you want to do it, flip that to where you know the injury and what it injures, yeah, you can learn these cards. So just wanted to make you all aware of that in case you want to add these for yourselves. Like I said, I'm going to choose not to, and that's just a personal decision by me. But I always recommend customizing your learning style and methods to what works best for you. So this is here if it's helpful. Again, that is nerves, vasculature, and the lower extremities in the first aid under MSK and anatomy and phys. Happy studying, everyone. And got last week coming up before finals, so wish everyone best of luck prepping. How do I turn this off? Oh, it's too early. There we go. All right, take care, everyone.